In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce. We'll start right on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. This is your command center. Take a moment to look around. You should see the navigation bar at the top and a feed of key items like recent records and important tasks. Home is where you'll land often, so it's helpful to know it's designed to surface what needs your attention. Next, open the app launcher, the waffle icon at the top left. This is where you can find all the apps and items available to you. Think of it as your directory of tools. For setup and day-to-day work, you'll switch between objects like accounts, contacts, cases, and dashboards right from here. Choose Accounts. Accounts represent the companies or customers you do business with. When the list view loads, you'll typically see recent records by default. If you're just getting set up, this is a great place to verify your data model and confirm which fields are available. Open an account name from the list to step into a real record. Inside an account, you'll see highlights at the top, key fields down the page, and related lists for everything connected to that account. This is the hub for every interaction tied to a customer or company. Locate and click the item number you see referenced on the account. Depending on your configuration, this may be a field or a related record that ties the account to a product or SKU. It's helpful for ensuring your sales and service teams are all speaking the same language about what the customer owns. Move into Assets. Assets track the products your customers have purchased or are using. Clicking into Assets from the app area or the related list helps you validate your product catalog alignment and confirm warranty or entitlement details if your organization uses them. Head over to Cases. Cases are the backbone of support. Opening this keeps you focused on how issues roll up to the account, who's responsible, and what the current status is. It's a good checkpoint to make sure your case record types, priorities, and queues look right. Click Campaigns. Campaigns help marketing attribute responses and pipeline to initiatives. Even if you're primarily in sales, seeing campaigns ensures the handoff from marketing is visible and measurable across the organization. Open Contacts. Contacts are the people associated with your accounts. Make sure the layout captures essential details like role, phone, and email. This connection between accounts and contacts powers most of your outreach and reporting. Select Customers. In some orgs, customers is a custom object used to represent end users or specific segments. Opening it lets you verify the fields and relationships mirror how your business thinks about its customer base. Click Dashboards. Dashboards visualize your reports so you can monitor pipeline, activity, and performance in real time. This is where leaders and reps alike confirm that data entry is paying off in actionable insights. Go to Files. Files centralize your proposals, contracts, and collateral. It's a reliable way to keep documents tied to the right records and under version control. Open Images. If your team stores logos, screenshots, or product images inside Salesforce, this is where they live. It's useful for consistent branding across emails and documents. Select Payments. For orgs that track billing or collections, Payments lets you confirm transactions and status. Opening it ensures finance-related fields and permissions line up with your processes. Now, click Tasks. Tasks keep everyone organized. You'll see your to-dos, due dates, and statuses. Opening the Tasks workspace makes it easy to prioritize your day. Click Tasks again to ensure you're on the main task view. Here's where you'll manage updates quickly. Choose Reopen on a completed task to bring it back into your active list. This is handy when something needs another pass. Click Edit Comments to refine the notes so the next person has context. Clear comments save time later. If you're not ready to save, hit Cancel and close to exit without changes. Use Change Date to adjust the due date as priorities shift. Keeping dates accurate helps dashboards and reminders work for you. Create follow-up tasks to keep momentum after a call or meeting. A quick follow-up ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, click Sales to return to the Sales app. This brings you back to your core workspace, with everything organized the way your team works. That's the essential setup tour. With Home as your launchpad, the app launcher for navigation, and each object opened and verified, you're ready to work efficiently in Salesforce.